Well guys, we're off for a 2-night camp again, and this week I'm under a canvas tent, so yeah, looking forward to it. Right, been walking for about 20 minutes now, and wow, this canvas tent is heavy. It's completely dominating my chest bag. So yeah, 2-night wild camp, canvas tent. I've just stopped for a break. It's Baltic, like cold. You know that, when it's really crisp in the mornings, that's what it's going to be like. So that's good, all the more reason for testing out my canvas tent for the first time. Yeah, desert camo too. Thought I'd have a change from DPM. So yeah, I'll show you my kit. So my chest bag, it has a canvas tent down here, and then it's just got room for a zebra can and my small MSR seagull pot and a small bottle of water to drink as I'm walking. My rucksack, it's pretty much to there with food and the little tiny bottom bit like here is just basically my sleeping kit, and my sleeping bag is on the outside and that's on the outside. Brew kit, cup, fire kit, spare batteries, solar power, stuff like that. So yeah, I'm gonna get moving again and keep a plod on because I don't want to get cold. So I've took my boots off, changed into my sort of Gore-Tex slippers just to save my boots so I don't really want to be 2 nights without dry boots. And yeah, I'm going to make this river crossing, so I've got to walk that way down with the river and then across the way in order to get to the little side beach stroke island that I want to go to. So yeah, I strongly do not recommend you do this in the dark with a chest bag the size of a hippopotamus, because you can't see where you stand and it's quite dangerous. But yeah, I'm going to attempt it because I'm stupid. That's pretty much all I can say. But yeah, I'm going to load up again and get in the water. What a mission. I'm just going really slow. It's quite shallow here, but I can hear rapids as I'm walking. I'm just walking on the left side at the moment, just nice and slowly. I'm going to cross it in a second. Yeah, we're in the rapids now. This is totally awesome. The sound and sheer, just, oh, I love it. Epic. I'm about halfway across now. I thought I'd just stop and take a little video of these rapids. So I made it, perfect. And also I noticed that the water near the bank is quite warm. So in the shallow stonage here, this area seems to be quite warm in the middle. So it's good. Yeah, that's my breath. Even though it's pitch black, I do enjoy the walk out to camp in the pitch black, like it kind of, and then again I get to wake up tomorrow, nice fresh day, wherever I camped. Right, I'm gonna see if I can find a way through all these bushes. See if I can get up onto this piece of land at the back of them, because I'm positive there's a flat sandbank that I could use. Hopefully We'll see. Not a sand beach anymore. It's totally overgrown with everything. Wow. Yeah. I'm still going to camp here. I'm just going to have to put a little bit of work in before I get sorted. First thing, I'm going to dig out the fire pit and then get it lit and see which way the wind's blowing. And get a brew on also. I could hold the lighter down there, but a nice big fire would be better. So fire pit dug, restoned. It's about 5 foot long. It took us about 20 minutes to get it done. So not that bad, really, considering it's quite a nice deep fire pit. And yeah, so I'm just going to bang my tent up. I don't know yet. Yeah, we'll see. Oh, I love my fire pit. Oh, how dare you? And there it is. Well, I've carried it all this way, so now it's got to pay for its journey home by being comfortable and easy to put up. We'll see. So, tent is up. Oh yeah. And the guideline is in my fire. I'm going to sort that in a second. I like it. First impressions, I like it. I think I've got it too close to my fire, but I like it. Quite, yeah. As you can tell, brand spanking new. I love it. I totally love it. It's been a long time since I've done a bit of the old tent camping. So I thought it was about time. Yeah, not bad. Need to sort that guideline. Everything's sorted now and in order and ready to light the fire. So on my little area, I've got my poncho just to put on the floor outside my tent, my Gore-Tex, my rucksack as the pillow, spare pants, long johns, plate and wool blanket, sleeping bag, Gore-Tex bivy bag and a roll mat. And that's just my stuff set for my sleeping bag. And there's still some sweetie wrappers in there from last week. I should really clean out my pockets. There we go. I've dug out a fire pit in my fire pit. Just guidelines there, so I'm just going to keep it inside there. Right, time to get a brew on, I think. First brew's ready. So yeah, even though I'm carrying that canvas tent, I'm still carrying nice food. Yeah. Still got some wood here. Just sitting down, chilling on my wool blanket and my poncho next to my fire. It's actually really nice. my brew kit. Just a selection of tea bags and coffees and chocolates and that. So for supper, before I go to bed, I'm gonna have a quick salmon salad. You know me, always like something before I go to bed, especially after that long walk. I'm just gonna pack that bad boy in, build a fire on top of it. The salmon's ready, I've pulled it to the side already. So yeah, I'm gonna plate up my salad. And oh yes, my salmon salad with some sweet chilli sauce on. We'll see you all in the morning. Oh. Oh. Outstanding sleep. Oh. Just a little space I carved out last night. All this is going to be flooded, and it was in a couple of weeks with the rain in the river. So it's not really a big deal. All this will be covered over. There's my little camp in daylight. Now you can see it better. Got the river. It's down there. Zebra cans on for morning coffee. Tiny little fire pit. I slept good. I was nice and warm in the tent. Then I opened both the doors, and you could now feel the difference from obviously outside to inside, like. So yeah, I think I'm going to be having breakfast here and coffee, and then I'm going to pack up and go into the woodlands and see set this bad boy up in my woodland camp. Aye, nice little tent. Breakfast is kippers and cheese and bacon rolls. And I've got streaky bacon. I'm just going to have 2 of those rolls and save 2 for tomorrow morning. Usual, wrap it up with tinfoil parcel, ashes, simple as out. Bacon's on. Just as I'm cooking my bacon, I'm packing up my tent too. Started packing up everything here. I actually like this tent. Cheese rolls are nicely toasted too. Awesome. There we have it. My morning kippers and bacon cheese rolls and tomato sauce. And I've still got my coffee there. And I'm still like cleaning down. When I say cleaning down, I mean tidying all my kit away and packing up and that, getting ready to move after breakfast. Right, totally packed up and ready to move. Cleaned up my fire pit too. I've left that grill here because I'm going to come back here for another camp at some point. Use this as a little halfway stop. Just looking at this ground, it's not really stable at all. We're a mission. Look at that. That tree's going to go before long. Just waiting on this damaged bridge on a little breather. I think that's meant to be like a handrail. It's on here. Awesome. Chest bag's heavy today. Fallen tree. Bloody detour now. Here I am. Shrunk my fire pit down to a more manageable size, so I'm just going to tidy up the edges and then I'm going to dig it out. Got it up in the space. Very, very tight. How epic does that look? I love it. My first day there, as you see. Fire's going now. There's a little fire kit I used. Just a nice selection of fire starters in there. Cotton wool, birch bark, wool, different fire starters, so it's quite good. Got a new fire steel coming. This one I only ever really have one for a short time, then I find I dislike it because they're normally too small. But that one's quite big, so it'll do for now. I'm just sitting chilling, contemplating getting a brew and some dinner on. So I'm having chicken kebabs, and I've got a garlic and pesto marination on them, and then some mushroom rice and mushrooms. And then I've got some sweet and sour sauce too. Nice. I've also put my oven on because I've got a rhubarb crumble and custard for dessert, so my oven's heating up. That's my kebabs, rice and sweet and sour sauce. And my dessert's still on the go. Lifted the oven off, and the crumble is absolutely perfect. Doesn't get any better than this. So I've managed to get a fair bit of firewood. It's going to start getting dark before long. See if we can keep my little fire going. A little seating area there. Sun's gone down now. Got a nice hot fire going. Deep embers and lots of nice logs on there. Gonna burn all night this bad boy. Got some wood left over there too. I think I'm gonna get some tea on the go. Got an apple pie to bake. To cook, sorry. Apple pie is going in. Oven doors on. I'm gonna have steak and some sort of pasta for main course. This fire is going to burn all night. I've still got quite a lot of wood left. Just drying off my sockies. Got the ribeye steak on. And my pasta. Bacon and mushroom tagliatelle. Apple pie's doing alright. Oh yeah. Moved it forward now just to finish it off nice and slowly. There we go. The apple pie's not far away either. Might just let that cool down and have that for breakfast. Oh my god, the total devastation. My pot just rolled right off its log and then landed upwards with the pie inside it. And look at the state of that. Oh man, my pie. Look at it. I'm mortified. I'm distraught. I'm still gonna eat that bit. Oh man. It was absolutely amazing too. It looked so good. Just ate that bit too. Oh man. I was just sitting there with my feet up and it just rolled right off. There's nothing I could do. I tried to save it but I wasn't fast enough. Oh man. Oh well. It just shows, doesn't it? At least I still have some pie. There we go, apple pie. Damn it man, I was just about to get ready to start boasting about the perfect apple pie too. Oh man. Well, after the pie fiasco, I think it's time to go to bed. Especially after I carried that pie all the way here without any damage to it at all. To drop it 3 inches from my mouth. So close. Well guys, I'm off to bed. We'll catch you all in the morning. I still can't believe dropping that apple pie. It's now 6:30 in the morning. Looks like a mist on the outside of the woods. Started to spit rain too, so I've hoiked a tarp over my tent because I'd rather carry a tarp that's wet than a canvas tent. Can't even see the ridge line at the other side of the meadow. It's not showing up very good on the video. You can sort of see a silhouette of trees. Brilliant. It's not raining a lot, it's just spitting. I just don't really want to get it absolutely drenched. Then I have to carry it back double its weight. Got my first coffee on the go. Oh. All the cobwebs in that. Totally awesome. Started to pack up my stuff now, proper. Got everything here. Out my tent anyway. Just starting to get that emptied. Well, it's practically empty. I'm just going to give it a wipe down on the inside, get rid of all the bits. Just enjoying my coffee over there. Tents down, and all the way as you've seen. Just sitting by my fire, plucking up the courage to make that river crossing. Not too bad. Maxed out maxing out the straps on this old rucksack. Got the canvas tent in there too, so no chest bag at all. Awesome. Result. Well, I've made the river crossing. Quite easy today. Nice and shallow. And on that note, guys, I'll see y'all next week.